like update. I hope you're all keeping well, and welcome to my channel. Now, it's been awful wild weather this last couple of weeks. I mean, last week it was gusting over 50 mile an hour, and this week, well, today it's gusting over 60 mile an hour. But we did have a couple of bonny days during the week, but we didn't have trips on that days, so it's just the way it works out. So it's for Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays trips are cancelled for this weekend again because of the weather. So it's really frustrating because you're up against it all the time, relying on the weather, and at this time of year it can even be more extreme. I'm just through to check a booty and get the engine a run. When I come off of the house at Boddam, I nipped down to Boddam harbour and had a wee look out. Now the direction I went today is really bad for Boddam harbour, especially that kind of strength. So I've seen a wee bit of footage, and you'll see it on this video. I'll add it to the video so you can see it. It's not so bad at the broch because the wind's kind of got a huddle along a bit here. So, but there's still a wee bit of swell in the harbour. The boat's still swinging about here. I'll let you see. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. I'll maybe come back a bit. So she's not loping about too much. So but you've just come through and check your ropes when it's weather like this, because the rope's rubbing back and forth, it'll just snap them. So here's hoping this breeze of wind passes quick. They're awful handy as marinas with a floating pier, because you just tie your body up onto the pier and you don't have to worry about chains or anything. I mean, tidal harbours like Boddam harbour, you're working swinging chains for moorings, and you've a side rope and all that to pull you off of the pier. So when it's a close day, your boat doesn't bash against the pier and break up. So you've got to change the taking up the weather like this. And you don't have to worry about leaving out a good bit of slack for the tide going up and down for low water. I'm just itching to get back out again. But the weather hasn't been good this last couple of weeks. It's every time your trip days are coming on, the weather's turning. But you've had to just cross your fingers and hope it the next weekend's better weather and get a chance. It's just the joys of fishing. See the weather glass is wheeled back. And it's still far away. Yeah, good. Well, that's it for now. Just a quick video just to update you in the fishing situation and that, and the weather. So that's it for now. Take care of you. Watch yourselves in this weather. Mind put a thumbs up on my videos, and if you haven't subscribed yet on my channel, mind push the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you nothing, and it'll help our channel out a bit. Okay, I'll catch you after.